Hello everyone, welcome back to the Codersarts. In this episode, we are going to see about the e-voting SMS OTP verification and system-based mobile application idea. In this video, we are going to learn about how we can implement the e-voting system in the mobile application. Let's move to the problem statement and introduction. There is the introduction. Electronic voting, e-voting, is present a promising solution for modernized democratic process. However, ensuring the security and the integrity of a voting system is paramount. Introducing an SMS OTP verification system-based mobile application and innovative solution designed to enhance the security of the electronic voting processes and empower the voter to have a safe with a safe and secure means of the casting their votes. So, what's the problem we are facing in the current voting system? Let's security concerns surrounding to the electronic voting system include the potential vulnerabilities to hacking and tampering, and pose the significant challenges to their widespread adoption and acceptance. Implementing a robust security measure such as SMS OTP verification is crucial to address the concern effectively. Sometimes there is some security concerns surrounding the electronic voting system. Which include the potential vulnerability. Like sometimes we can see like a news very populating in India, like the EVM is going to be hacked. We can just resolve this problem. And what is the solution here? The e-voting SMS verification system based on the mobile application offer a secure, reliable platform for the voter to cast their votes remotely using their mobile devices. By integrating the SMS OTP, one-time password verification, uh, the app enhance the security of voting process, ensuring that only authorized voter can participate and prevent the fraudulent activity. Okay. And through its user-friendly interface and strength security protocol, the app aims to instill the confidence in the voters and promote their trust to the electronic voting system. Here we can see the e-voting SMS verification. We have implemented the SMS verification, SMS OTP verification based mobile application, so that once the person is going to be you voting, he has got the SMS and just to verify it from the mobile phone. By integrating the SMS OTP verification, the app enhance. So by using this OTP system, we can just enhance the voting process and ensure that the only authorized voter can participate. If anyone has authorization for the voting, so that they only can vote here. So these are the solutions we are going to provide in this application. Moving to the next slide. What are the key features that we are going to implement in this app? SMS OTP verification. Utilize the SMS OTP verification to authenticate the voters and ensure the integrity of the voting process. Okay. And thereafter, we are also using the secure authentication to implement the robust authentication mechanism, prevent the unauthorized access and protect the voter privacy. And the third one is the user-friendly interface. As you can see, the UI will be very good to and offer a user-friendly interface that simplifies the voting process and enhance the usability for the voters of all the demographics. And the fourth one we are going to do is a real-time monitoring system. Enable the real-time monitoring of the voting activities, alert authorize to suspicious or any irregular behavior. And the last one, we are going to implement the feature of audit trail. Generate the audit trail of the voting transaction, providing the transparency and accountability to the electoral process. All these features we are going to implement in this application. That's all. And if you have any idea like e-voting system management or any other ideas you have in your mind for your college project or any other assignment project, so you can just drop a mail to the contact@codersarts.com. We can always